I'm Sally Mendoza. I'm here in Divine Mercy, an aesthetic mansion, to do my, ano yung kilay? Eyebrow, and my, ano yun? Cautery of my excess fat in my face. I've been working in Saudi Arabia for 24 years in Riyadh Military Hospital. So I decided to come over here to, ano pangalan niya? Gail?
Ang Navarrete.
Navarrete. Navarrete ba?
Oo.
And I hope my face will be younger as it is when I was in Saudi Arabia. Okay? Tapos na. Ha? May kilay. Yeah, look at my kilay. See?